Geo-Jousting. It's like geofencing, but with phones instead of swords. Foursquire is an iOS app that will easily become a cross-platform app as it's built using PhoneGap and jQuery Mobile with UserGrid as a mobile backend. Foursquire turns Foursquare into a game of terror. Since it's built on top of the Foursquare API, anyone with a Foursquare account can log in using Connect to Foursquare. Once you're logged in, you see a list of your Foursquare friends. Challenge any of them to a joust, and a point of interest will be chosen, roughly equidistant from the combatants, using the venue recommendations from the Foursquare Explorer API. Future enhancements will allow combatants to choose the nature of the quest, or the airspeed of their coconut-laden swallow. Once you've chosen your opponent, they receive a push notification thanks to Urban Airship. Having been notified of the challenge, your opponent must make a decision. The health of a knight is his degree of chivalrousness, measured in honor. Every accepted challenge adds to your honor. Every declined challenge eats away at it. Eventually, you can lose rank. In this case, the challenge is accepted, and the joust commences. You've got to check in to win. The first player that checks into the venue will trigger the Foursquare API to push notify Foursquire, and a victor will be anointed. The vanquished is left to nurse his wounds and to joust another day. Future versions will introduce other gameplay modes, such as throwing down the gauntlet, a general challenge to your whole network, and melee, which opens a contest to an entire group of people. So get medieval on your friends. It's Fight Club meets Foursquare. It's Highlight meets Highlander. It's Game Center meets Game of Thrones.